The second way that you can make a woman fall in love with you, she doesn't know how you feel. When a woman is unsure of your feelings for her, she is in a constant state of emotional flux. Meaning, when she's with you, she thinks she knows how you feel because of your actions. But when she's not with you, the insecurity goes up and she's no longer sure of how you feel because there's no actions to judge. So what's gonna happen is she's happy when she's with you, sad when you're not there, worried when you're not there, frustrated when you're not there. And what happens over time? You become a drug to her. And that is what you want. If you become a drug to her, meaning she can't wait to see you again to get her next fix, she becomes addicted. And if she's addicted to you, she is in love with you by default. So you don't let her know exactly how you feel. You show with actions instead of words, because the words validate her ego, but the actions validate her biology. So you do it with the actions, not the words, and her emotional state will always be moving. You will be stimulating her in the exact way that she needs biologically, meaning that she will inevitably fall in love with you.